Hi guys, today I'm going to be filming a makeup tutorial. It doesn't feel like I have any makeup on. It feels very lightweight, which I do love because I don't like a cakey foundation. Good. I'm going to put a bunch of concealer on because I feel like my eyes just look really tired lately and I don't enjoy that at all. I really don't, so I'm gonna put loads of concealer on, and I'm probably gonna put powder on too because it's summer and I feel like my makeup has been looking a lot more glossier and dewy and I want it to look matte, so I'm just blending out all of my concealer. I feel like it looks a bit bright, so I'm going to try and blend it in with my foundation as much as I possibly can because it's looking very bright at the moment, or maybe it's just the lighting. Okay. It's a brush because I use my blush brush now. It's all over the place. Oh, how am I gonna set this? Okay, it should be okay. You know what? I'm just gonna move straight into like contour. Just ignore this mess. I'm gonna put on my forehead because I might just do my jaw. Like, why not? Oof. Okay, my makeup is looking quite messy, but it'll be fine. I'm gonna do pink dots. I'm gonna do dot here and dots on my nose. I always do blush on my forehead as well, so if you're new to my channel, I do blush on my forehead. I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty in the shade Love. I want a mixture of blush. I feel like I'm running out of this, but since I look cray cray, it's fine. We all look a bit cray cray doing makeup. Blend, blend, blend with my beauty blender. My forehead. I might do my eyebrows in this look as well. I want it to be summery and bronzy, so look forward to that. I know I'm not talking very much in this video. I'm gonna try and talk as much as possible, but I want to focus on the makeup, and if I get to talking, this video will be so long and I probably will get distracted. I can do another video where I'm talking a lot. Life has been so much fun lately. I've really been enjoying my summer. Working is good, going out with friends. It's all been a bliss and I just love it. Like going to the amusement park, going to the beach. It's just been fantastic so far. Like, I hope more fun will come out of the summer because I'm so looking forward to traveling, going to new places. Yeah, I might do vlogs on my travels. If you want me to do vlogs, comment, or you can even send me a message on my Instagram. Either way, I want to do some vlogs. I'm going in with my Nicole Miller palette. I rebought this one because all of my contour and bronze was gone, so I rebought the palette. Even though I'm full in highlight and like everything else, I just needed the bronzer, but this bronzer is so good and I just couldn't cope with my other one. Didn't feel like it was doing anything for me. The highlight in this palette is unreal, like unreal. So I'm happy. I want to go really bright in highlight today. Like, yeah. I got a blush palette, this one, and I'm going to go with this peachy color. Gonna brush it on the sides of my nose as well. And obviously, forehead, a bit on my chin. And I will go and do my eyeshadow. So, very pretty and peachy and summery, because why not? Like a coral peach. And I love that because I just think it looks so cute. Okay, then I'm going to go in with this Delicious. It's called Delicious. So I'm just gonna put it on the eyelid and blend it out the way to look really peachy. I'm gonna do the same on the other eye, my right eye. And I'm gonna keep blending it. Yeah, so okay, you guys already know it's the Sky High. Wouldn't lie to you and say it's anything else. I'm gonna apply it in brushing upward stroke motions because I want my eyelashes to look long. Okay. Yeah, life's been really good lately, so I'm so thankful. Other side. So this is my mascara done. I'm gonna do some beauty marks because I want to. In the front of my nose. I'm going for this really old like lipstick that I have. It's a Rimmel London. It's Rimmel 373 Mauve. It's like a mauve color. They're very much the same in color. I wanted a gradient though. I wanted to do something like that's what I want to do. I'm gonna add another color over. This is kind of a reddish. And I'm popping it all over this color. Can you guys see me? So I got a mixture of two.